Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or discussing with you, best cashback credit cards right now. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you want to maximize your wallet without the absolute headache of tracking airline travel charts and point transfers, sticking to a rock-solid cashback strategy is definitely the way to go here. Now, to keep things clean and easy to manage, well, let's narrow down the absolute massive sea of options down to the 5 or the top options right now. So let's start with the Wells Fargo Active Cash. Now think of this card as the absolute anchor of your entire wallet. Now if you completely hate the idea of tracking rotating calendars or keeping up with phone apps, this card keeps it beautifully simple by giving you a straight unlimited 2% cashback on every single thing you buy. Now there are zero spending limits here, zero annual fees, and zero mental gymnastics required. Now it is just pure effortless profit every time you swipe. Now we also have the AAA Daily Advantage Visa. Now this is really the most quality dominant and criminally underrated card on the market right now. Now a huge misconception is that you need to be a AAA member to get it, but that is totally false. Like carries no annual fee and drops a massive 5% cashback on grocery stores right into your lap. Now, when you pack in an extra 3% back on gas, wholesale clubs, and pharmacies, it easily becomes the ultimate powerhouse for your baseline household necessities. Now, we also have the CD Custom Cash. Now, the beauty of this zero fee card is is the complete automation. Now, instead of forcing you to choose a category, it automatically tracks your spending each bidding cycle and rewards you with 5% cash back top on your top spending category, up to $500 a month here. And the absolute smartest strategy here is to give this card a single drop. Now, use it exclusively for just dining out or just gas to effortlessly lock in that maximum 5% return with zero manual tracking here. Now, we also have the US Bank Cash Plus. Now, while most cards completely ignore your regular boring monthly bills here, this one leans right into them. Now, every single quarter, you get a customized, you get to customize your rewards by selecting two distinct 5% cashback categories up to like $2,000 in combined spending. Now, the list includes things like household utilities, cell phone for providers, and phone or home internet. Now, while you can easily interact or extract massive value from the expensive fixed bills you already have to pay anyway. And finally, we have the Capital One Saver One. Now, if your lifestyle revolves around dining out, streaming, and entertainment, this is your perfect daily driver. Now, it hands you a flat 3% cashback on restaurants, movies, streaming services, and groceries with zero annual fees. Plus, Capital One's approval algorithm is notoriously lenient and forgiving, making it incredibly accessible option to get your foot into the door, even if your credit history isn't entirely flawless yet. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.